Welcome to my channel Grammar Hut. This video is most important for class 9 and 10 students who are most willingly wants to practice more exercises on joining into simple sentences in various ways. So today I'm gonna share you 30 questions and answers on this topic. So let's practice. I knew that he was poor. I offered to pay his fare. এখানে আমরা প্রেজেন্ট পার্টিসিপল ইউজ করে আনসারটা করব। নিউর প্রেজেন্ট ফর্ম হচ্ছে নো, তাহলে নো এর সাথে আইএনজি ইউজ করলেই সেটা প্রেজেন্ট পার্টিসিপল হয়ে যাচ্ছে। তাহলে নোয়িং দ্যাট হি ওয়াজ পুয়ার আই অফার টু পে হিজ ফেয়ার। উই ব্যারিকেটেড দ্য উইন্ডোজ উই অ্যাসেম্বলড ইন দ্য হল। হ্যাভিং ব্যারিকেটেড দ্য উইন্ডোজ উই অ্যাসেম্বলড ইন দ্য হল। She became tired of my complaints about the program. She turned it off. Becoming tired of my complaints about the program, she turned it off. He found no one at home. He left the house in a bad temper. Finding no one at home, he left the house in a bad temper. Number 5. She hoped to find the wheel. She searched everywhere. Hoping to find the wheel, she searched everywhere. Number 6. The criminal removed all traces of his crime. He left the building. Removing all traces of his crime, he left the building. Question number 8. The people were stunned. They could not speak in the beginning. এটা আমরা to infinitive use করে করব। The people were too stunned to speak in the beginning. Question number 9. I shall fall. I fear so. এখানে আমরা that ইউজ করব। I fear that I shall fall. Question number 10. The sparrow saw me, it flew away. এই সেন্টেন্সে আমরা প্রেজেন্ট পার্টিসিপল ইউজ করব। So let's see. Seeing me, the sparrow flew away. Question number 11. There is a man hiding in Raina's bedroom. He was a Swiss. Raina's notice was drawn. এখানে তিনটে সেন্টেন্স আছে। So Raina's notice was drawn on a Swiss man hiding in her bedroom. Question number 12. The man sells vegetables. In this way he earns his living. The man sells vegetables to earn his living. Question number 13. Thousands watched the procession. They watched silently. Thousands watched the procession silently. Number 14. We want to stay fit. We first to stay fit. 15. I have a car. I wish to sell it. I have a car to sell. Question number 16. He is very weak. He cannot walk. He is too weak to walk. We use TOO for VERY, very. Okay? And here the infinitive is TO2. Question number 17. He is poor. He is happy. See, here the two sentences are in opposite mood. Okay? So when we join the two opposite mood sentence into a simple sentence, we use a preposition, and after that we use a noun. Here the word poor converted into the noun form poverty. So the answer will be, in spite of his poverty, he is happy. Okay. Question number 18. She is ill. She cannot come. See, here the first sentence is the cause and the second sentence is the effect. So we can say into the simple sentence, on account of her illness she cannot come. Question number 19. I like tea. I like coffee. Here the meaning of these sentences are, I like tea besides coffee, means আমি টিও পছন্দ করি, কফিও পছন্দ করি। So in the simple sentence, besides liking tea, I like coffee. Okay. Question number 20. COVID-19 has spread lockdown is imposed. COVID-19 having spread, lockdown is imposed. See, here the action word is spread. That is why we used here having and then the third form of the verb. Okay. Question number 21. The work was done. We left the field. See, the sentence is in passive mood. So, the work having been done, we left the field. As we see, this is the passive mode and that is why having been. Okay. Question number 22. She was helpless. I stood by her. See, in this sentence, helpless is not an action word or action verb. Okay. Here, be verb was. So, she being helpless, I stood by her. Question number 23. Lockdown will be extended. It is certain. So, lockdown will be extended certainly, or we can say lockdown will be certainly extended. Okay. Question number 24. He spoke the truth. He did not fear. He spoke the truth without fear. Here we add an preposition. Okay. Or you can say he spoke the truth fearlessly. Number 25. Safa is my daughter. She obeys me. Here we will use noun in apposition form to make into simple sentence. So, Safa, my daughter, obeys me. Question number 26. Amit was a player. He is no more. Again, here we will use noun in apposition form. Amit, a player, is no more. Question number 27. We came back. It was evening. We came back in the evening. Question number 28. He survived the accident. He was lucky. He survived the accident luckily. Question number 29. I understood the problem. I nodded. Having understood the problem, I nodded. Question number 30. He came. I had already left. He came after my departure. Okay. Thank you and subscribe my channel to get more exercises like this on various chapters.